In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw support and resistance on TradingView. By the end, you'll have a clear, repeatable way to place levels that help you see where price tends to bounce or stall. Start by opening TradingView and pulling up the chart of the asset you want to analyze. This could be a stock, crypto pair, forex pair, whatever you're tracking. Make sure you're on a time frame that matches your trading plan. For example, day traders might look at the 1 minute to 15-minute range, while swing traders often prefer the 1 hour to daily charts. The levels you find should make sense on the time frame you're using. Next, look toward the top of the screen and click on Indicators. This opens the indicator library where we'll quickly add tools that map out support and resistance for you. In the search bar, type the word support. This filters the list so you don't have to scroll around. You'll see several options, but we're going to keep it simple and focused. Add the indicator called Support Resistance Channel. This overlays a dynamic channel around price, giving you a visual sense of where the market has been finding support below and resistance above. Think of it like guardrails that show the recent range the market respects. When price hugs the top line, that's a potential resistance area. When it leans into the bottom line, that's potential support. Now add the indicator named Support Resistance. This one identifies horizontal zones that often act as turning points. When used together with the channel, you get a stronger picture. The channel shows context and slope, while the horizontal zones highlight the precise areas where reactions have happened before. To make these zones easier to see at a glance, click on Highlight. This shades the support and resistance areas so they stand out from the background. It's especially helpful when you're scanning quickly or working on a smaller screen. If the shading feels too strong or too light, you can adjust the look later in the indicator settings so it matches your chart style. From here, read the chart with intention. Zoom in and out to see how price has reacted to these levels historically, and watch how current candles behave as they approach a highlighted zone or the channel boundary. Levels gain credibility when they've been respected multiple times. Remember, no single indicator predicts the future. These tools are there to help you structure your analysis and plan your entries, exits, and risk. That's it. Simple, clean, and effective. Let's jump in and apply this to your charts now.